Ever make these common mistakes when traveling to other countries? If you ever go to Taiwan, never pick up a red envelope.
Oh, what's this?
Stop! If you pick that up, you'll be forced to marry a ghost bride.
A ghost what?
In Taiwan, when a daughter dies, her parents will leave a red envelope filled with money on the street. If a man picks it up, he becomes obligated to marry the ghost of their dead daughter. If he refuses, he will be haunted by nightmares of a woman crying for the rest of his life.
Whoa, that's crazy.
Speaking of crazy, when you're in Chile, never eat anything with your hands. Whether you're eating a juicy steak or even a sandwich, it's considered rude to eat with your hands. But there's another country with an even crazier food rule. Japan, where you should never walk while eating or drinking because it's considered extremely impolite, which is why Japan has very few trash bins. I'll throw this away when I'm back in the US.